Hello everyone, am I audible? Feel free to comment if I am audible or not. क्या आप सबको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? Am I audible? Just a moment. Let me check. All right. Great. So, okay, cool. So about today's budget. So we will see that. Okay. एक second. Let's first of all analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's movement today. Okay. पहले हम लोग निफ्टी का देखते हैं थोड़ा. I'm not able to see the comment here. Okay, wait, I'll just. Okay, cool. So today we will first of all analyze the Nifty's chart. So if we will go on a higher time frame, ठीक है. Let's delete everything in this for now. Yeah, it's fine. So in this you can see as the trend was overall in a downtrend situation. Okay, अभी भी इसको completely uptrend नहीं कहेंगे until and unless it breaks this. After yeah, true, after a really long time I am back with this streaming thing. But okay, so after this, if this breaks, then we can expect a higher movement because abhi nearly 10% का correction है. If you will see from here to here, there is nearly more than 10% of correction, जिसमें कि अभी exactly 10% पे हैं हम लोग. So now after this, if this breaks, then we will be back in a proper uptrend. तो आज के इससे we got to know a lot of things that how much this okay, this stream is that how much we are gonna wait till we get to see a decent movement. Okay, so now yeah, so most of the sectors that performed well today were FMCG sector. ठीक है, FMCG sector में if you see there was a decent movement. उसके बाद थोड़ा सेटल हुआ. दिस इज़ द FMCG सेक्टर. आई कैन जस्ट इंक्रीज दिस. फिर एक डिसेंट मूवमेंट था. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस देर वॉज अ डिसेंट मूवमेंट इन ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर. दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि जब वेन एवर द टैक्स इज चेंज ना, जब भी टैक्स रेजिम में ऐसा चेंज होता है तो यूजुअली जो लोग होते हैं वो दे आर टेंड टू स्पेंड मोर. एंड FMCG सेक्टर एंड ऑटो सेक्टर, ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर, इसीलिए इन सेक्टर्स में ज़्यादा डिमांड बढ़ जाता है. सो इफ़ यू विल सी कि ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर के स्टॉक्स हैं आपके लाइक मारुति है एंड देर आर मोर लाइक TVS Motors performed really well today. So if you will see Maruti Suzuki India, that also performed well. Apart from that, Hyundai also performed really well today. ठीक है, Maruti Suzuki India gave a decent move and this also, where is Hyundai? Hyundai also performed really well. 4.35% up था. Initially it went really high and then settled a bit. So we will mainly talk about के total और हम लोग किसके sectors पे we can put our investment in, and we'll create a watch list of that separately. So meanwhile, if you guys have any stock suggestions that I should analyze, I'll go with it. And apart from that, if you will see Bank Nifty, we will analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty later tomorrow. न्यूज़ के हिसाब से अच्छे से हम लोग देखेंगे. वी विल सी दैट, नॉट न्यूज़ के हिसाब से, बट वी विल सी दैट उस पर कहाँ व्हाट कैन बी आर नेक्स्ट मूव एंड स्टफ एज पर दी OI एंड अदर थिंग्स. वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट later tomorrow. But for today, we will just focus on today's budget. Okay, so on today's budget, the most of the area that was focused was agriculture. ठीक है, तो इफ़ यू विल सी एग्री स्टॉक्स इंडिया, ओके, सो उस पर आई हैव मेड अ लिस्ट. देर इज़ कावेरी सीड्स एंड देर आर अदर हाई कैप स्टॉक्स, ओके, जिनका स्टॉक्स का कैप ज़्यादा, मार्केट कैप इज़ हायर. तो लेट्स एनालाइज थ्रू screener.in. ठीक है, वी विल सी थ्रू screener.in के कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स will perform like are good. Just give me a moment, let me just hide it. Just a moment, this is okay, just a moment, I'm logging in. Yeah, so in this now let's first analyze Kaveri सीड्स, क्योंकि अभी एग्री स्टॉक्स में काफ़ी ज़्यादा फोकस है, राइट. दैट्स वाई वी आर एनालाइजिंग दिस कावेरी सीड्स एंड वी विल ऑल्सो एनालाइज एग्री टेक इंडिया later and also more of the these stocks like FMCG stocks and more automobile stocks and insurance stocks. अब insurance stocks क्यों? Because recently there has been seen कि जो इंश्योरेंस स्टॉक्स हैं उनमें अब क्या हो गया कि पहले FDI's इन्वॉल्वमेंट वॉज लिमिटेड टू 75%, ओके, बट नाउ इट हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज टू 100%. दैट मीन्स अब जो फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में कैन बी हायर. तो 75% से इट इज़ 100% नाउ. ऑल राइट, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी इन सच अ वे कि वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ हायर एंड अ बेटर मूवमेंट इन दोज थिंग्स. सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट एनालाइज. पेयर कंपैरिजन में देखें तो यहाँ पे FMCG सेक्टर में दे हैवंट डन मोर ऑफ अ पेयर कंपैरिजन बिकॉज इट बेसिकली कम्स इनटू एग्री सेक्टर, नॉट द FMCG सेक्टर एज सच. वॉइस इज लो, ओके, जस्ट लेट मी जस्ट सी. इज इट फाइन नाउ? अभी ठीक है? यू कैन लेट मी नो इन द लाइव चैट सेक्शन. Okay, okay, cool. It might be low sometimes, but next time I'll just take care of this, don't worry. So now in this sales are decent for this now. Okay, so sales are in decent, it's negative, but basically in agriculture sector what has happened ke unko they have been given some subsidies for like for boost in pulses and cotton production, okay, so and credit has been also increased. That's why they were like booming a lot. Last year भी ऐसा हुआ था and इस साल भी कुछ उसी टाइप से होगा. So that's why we are gonna analyze and look into these stocks. ये अभी 6.83% up था today. It went even higher, but yeah, overall it was 6.83%. Apart from that, if you will see the sales are not really good. It is very seasonal, ठीक है, कभी कभी बढ़ता है. इन द मंथ ऑफ जून वी सी दैट देर इज़ अ डिसेंट ग्रोथ. मतलब बहुत ही सीजनल बिजनेस है. दे डू गुड बिजनेस इन सच सीजन्स, ओके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट इज़ अ ओकेश कंपनी. good decent expense ratio, decent profit. They have been profitable in years and reserve भी इनका increase हो रहा है. That is a good point. Operating activity से पैसा बढ़ रहा है. That is also a good point. Debtor days are getting lower. That is also a good point. Promoter stake is okay. FIIs have slightly shredded their position. DIIs same. Okay, now public sector has slightly increased. Okay, see now this percentage might look low. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा लो लग सकता है कि अरे ये तो 0.5% बढ़ा है, but this 0.5% is actually of this, so 0.5% of 5,000 crores is actually sums up to a decent huge amount. That's why वहाँ पे वो उतना ही आपको difference दिखेगा, but it's a decent addition in that. Okay, now in this, so this was one Kaveri seeds that I had in for agri stocks. Okay, अब दूसरा देखते हैं. We will figure out the best one to invest in. Now there is agri tech. Seeds were based on the different thing. This is agri tech. This is a way smaller company. Okay, it is focused on corporate farming and mainly it is for farm situated in, okay, it is based off a Maharashtra based company. They help in like through tech they help in growing of the like this agriculture. That's why they'll be also benefited. Kaveri Seeds was a completely different thing. They were most focused on fertilizers, this and that, but they are more focused on the tech involved in the production of goods. ठीक है. इसके अलावा this stock hasn't been much profitable, but ये अब इसको ऐसा कह सकते हो आप कि बस एग्री स्टॉक के नाम पे it also started to rise, but it is not investable because of the fundamentals are not really very good. So that's why it is not a good entity to spend our money in. So let's not take Agritech India. There was Kaveri Seeds that we saw. Apart from that, Naturite Agro Production, Naturite Agro Products. This is also good, 5% up. Okay, product profile. Okay, they're also providing for like this case say production bade, growth bade and stuff. Now apart from that, operating profit is also okayish, not really very good. Now the industry is also small, no? You can see it's just 154 crores, yet the stock value is pretty much high. That is also one of the cons, as you can see here, that it's 13.1%, 1 times. So wo bhi hai. So it is also another hoax stock to invest in. So we will also cancel it out. Okay, voice is breaking in between. Okay. Let me just see what I can do with it. Just a moment. Is this fine now? Is this fine? Yeah, cool. Now, अब इस पे you can see that this is also not a good stock. Okay. अब आते हैं मंगलम सीड्स पे. ठीक है. It has been rising. तो इसका मे बी रिजल्ट थोड़ा बेटर आया हो आई थॉट, बट नॉट मच, उतना भी बेहतर नहीं आया है. Okay, just a moment. Yeah. So now Mangalam Seeds is my last agriculture stock, because agriculture stocks पे क्या होता है ना, eco. Okay. Okay, I got the problem. Yeah, it should be fine now. Is it fine? All right. So in this you can see ke let's move forward. It is also not a big Mangalam Seeds. Okay, Mangalam Seeds. Okay, I might have got the name wrong. NG. Okay. All right. Let's leave this. So this was of so only Kaveri Seeds verified. Okay. So we'll keep Kaveri Seeds at as one of our major investing points for agriculture business, not anything else. I'll also analyze that Kaveri Seeds. Here we go. Chart is decent. All right. Chart is decent, not much to do with the chart. So let's analyze it on matlab chart is decent. By that I mean ki volume is okayish. Volume is not that good or that bad, it is just okayish. Now there have been a decent thrift. Okay, now let's just see ki at this point it reversed on. So we can easily invest on, like if it goes above 1000, then it will be a good thing to go with Kaveri Seeds. From 1000 we can expect a decent move with a SL of like a long-term SL, like I'm predicting almost a year-old move. Okay, so as you can see what happened a year ago, that ek saal pehle bhi they pushed more focus on the this this side of the market, like agriculture side of the market, and तब से it has been in rally. कहाँ गया June? Yeah. So from June it was announced and then later it was okayish, and same goes with the February budget क्योंकि last year अलग अलग करके आया था, तो that's why it went to a decent, it gave us a decent move. After that it went a bit down, obviously in the market slide adjustment correction, whatever you say. अब उसके बाद it has slightly increased now. So Kaveri Seeds is one of our important metrics to look on. ठीक है, I'll just add here, I'll just make a segment and I'll give it a name. There is Kaveri Seeds. Okay, and I'll just make a section here ताकि हमें next time analyze करने में अच्छा रहे. That this is, at last we'll make a section, the budget stocks. Now apart from that, Trent performed really well. Okay, Trent is the one that performed really well in this. Now, okay, in today's rally, Trent was also in downtrend movement, but it has been a in a very good like return giver. Trent, if you see in 2020 is okay, that is too early, but in 2023 as well it was around 1300 and something like that, but it went up to 8000 and such. So Trent is one of the good stocks to focus on. Maruti is another stock. There is Jubilant Food, and also the focus has been now shifted. As you can see that the focus has been now shifted to toys and this industry as well. The toy industry as well as our footwear industry. Okay. So now because of that, अभी यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि if you see some of the stocks that has Mirzaint, okay, it is also showing us a decent movement right here, 20% gain. I also gave it in the group today. मैंने आज